guys, today we're making a homemade chocolate pumpkin cake using our Instant Pot. It's pumpkin along with butterscotch chips and crushed Oreo cookies. We're going to finish it off with a caramel drizzle. It all starts with the yellow cake mix from a box, which saves us quite a bit of time. Start by dividing the cake mix in half between two bowls. In the first bowl, combine the cocoa powder to make this your chocolate layer. Then we're going to crack in 2 eggs, add in the oil and the water. Now we're going to stir well, trying to get all the flour lumps out. Alright, time to add in those butterscotch chips. Fold those in. You can hold some back to decorate with, or you can just always add more later. And let's move to the pumpkin batter. Dump the rest of the yellow cake mix into a bowl. Crack in the remaining egg, add in the oil, and add the rest of the water. Stir well again, getting any of those flour lumps out. You can use a whisk if you prefer. Drop in the pumpkin puree and the pumpkin pie spice. Go ahead and add in those Oreo cookie pieces. You can always use golden Oreos instead of chocolate if your kids ate the ones you needed even after you hid them. Set out a long-handled trivet. Place your Bundt cake pan into the center of it. Spray well with the baking spray. Pour half of the chocolate batter into the pan. Spread it out evenly. You can use an offset spatula if you need to get it nice and smooth. Then you're going to add all the pumpkin batter on top of the chocolate layer. You'll finish it off by adding the other half of the chocolate batter as the very last layer. Swirl these two together by passing a knife through in a zigzag motion about 2 times around the pan. Next, cover your Bundt pan with a paper towel and aluminum foil. Pour 1 cup of water into your Instant Pot and carefully place the trivet and the Bundt pan inside the insert. Close and seal your pressure cooker and set your time for 35 minutes on high pressure. Let it stand and naturally release for 15 to 20 minutes. Very carefully take out your pan. Rest your cake on a cooling rack and remove the foil and paper towel. Let it cool for 10 more minutes. Now here's the fun part. Invert the cake onto a plate. Finish it off with a caramel drizzle. You can also garnish with more of those Oreo pieces and butterscotch chips. Thanks for watching. Be sure and let me know how your cake turns out.